Yes, we will continue our discussion in second part of this video. And see, next question is 4. It is the sum of the squares of two consecutive integers. So normally integers, you can suppose x and x plus 1. These are 1, 2, 3. These all are integers. It can be positive also. So for example, if you say x and x plus 1, we have integers represent in general integers. If you say x1, then x plus 1 means 2. So 1 and 2 both are integers. Uh, is they say the square of two consecutive means you have to take square as well, x square, and this is sum, so plus x plus 1 whole squared, and sum and square of these two consecutive integers is equal 145. So after this you can simplify, so it could be x square, and if we expand this one, I'm expanding with formula, okay? X square plus 1 plus 2x with this formula, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. I use this one. You can expand 2 times as well if it's up to you. And bring 145 from right to left, it would be negative. Now, add the like terms, 2x squared plus 2x plus 1, and we can say that we have 145 is equal to 0. So here we have 2x squared plus 2x negative 144 is equal to 0. All are divisible by 2. So the last general equation is x squared plus x negative 72 is equal to 0. So see here, we have x squared plus x square, x square plus x, and negative 72. In this situation, we have product is negative 72 x squared, and sum is plus x. So two numbers you need to bring product 72, and their sum and product must be x. So if you think about 8 and 9, 8 nines are 72, and 9 minus 8 gives us exactly 1. So see here, 9x minus 8x, it gives me 1x. You just replace it here, x squared plus 9x minus 8x minus 72 equals 0. So let's take x common, x plus 9 and minus 8 common. So again, x plus 9 equals 0. It means x plus 9 equals 0 or x minus 8 equals 0. So x is equal to negative 9 and x is equal to 8. So as we said, our numbers are x is equal to 8 and the second integer was x plus 1. So that gives us 8 plus 1, 9. So 8 and 9 are two answers. But if you take negative 9, he wants, if we check now, find two integers. So that's enough. If you want to write negative, you can choose negative 9, because positive and negative can be integers. I hope so you understand. And if you next one, we have a question. The sum of the first n integer 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n is given. This is some formula 1 over 2 from the series. If we in series we discuss such type of things. If we add sequences or terms of sequences, we found series. But here we have already the formula, which is 1 over 2 n bracket open n plus 1. How many integers must be taken to add up to 110? So we straight away say our sum formula is 1 over 2 n bracket open n plus 1, which is equal to 110. And then as you can see that the position of 2 is in divide. So if you take 2 other side, it will multiply. Means n bracket open n plus 1 is equal to 2 multiplied 210. So here you can multiply n inside. So it would be n squared plus n is equal to 210 multiplied by 2 gives us 420, and then take 420 from right to left. n square plus n negative 420 is equal to 0. Now it's a general equation in the form of n, and we say that it's a quadratic form, and our product is negative 420 n squared, and sum is n, and we are looking the value, two values which we multiply to get 420 and add and subtract to get n. So if you think about 21 and 20, you will get exactly 420. So we can say that n square, and we need plus n. So 21 n must be positive, okay? Negative 20 n, that gives us 1 n. So here I would say 21 n, negative 20 n, and lastly we have 420 equals 0. So first I have common in the first part, it is n plus 21 and negative 20. So here we have n plus 21 again, because 420 divided by 20 gives us 21. You can check in calculator as well. So n plus 21 and n minus 20 equals 0. So here we are getting two answers. One, n is equal to negative 21, and the second answer is n is equal to 20. So these are the integers we are getting. I hope so you understand. So next question is the sides. Here we go a little bit down. Next question 6 is the sides of two cubes differ by 2 centimeter and their volumes differ by 152 centimeter cube. Find the length of the sides of smaller cube. So if we have a cube and we know that in a cube all sides are equal. If we suppose the first cube has x length, so second must be differ by 2 centimeters, means second must be big. So x plus 2, this is the length of second. This is the length of first. And remember that when you find the volume, we always multiply length into length into length. That means L cube. So I multiply x with 3 times, and same as x plus 2 3 times. What they say after this, they say the difference of these two. So difference of these two is equal 152. So if I say x plus 2 whole cube and negative x cube is equal to 152. Okay, fine. So x plus 2 whole cube directly, maybe you don't know the formula, so you can multiply 3 times. You can write like this way, x plus 2 whole square into x plus 2 minus x cube equal 152. Then x plus 2 whole square, you know that it is x square plus 4 plus 4x. I'm using formula concept. You can expand 2 times. It's up to you. X plus 2 minus x cube equal 152. Then multiply x plus 2 with whole this. So we will get x cubed plus 4x square, then plus 2x square plus 8, and then 2 multiplied by 4 gives us 8x negative x cube negative 152 equals 0. So as you can see that few things we can cancel, positive x cube and negative x cube cancelled. We have the like terms as well, 4x square plus 2x square. It gives me 6x square. Then we have 4x, we have plus 8x, that gives me 8 plus 4, 12x. And lastly, we have plus 8 and negative 152. So we can subtract 8 from 152, that gives us negative 144 is equal to 0. They all are divisible by 2. are 6. If we check at 6 means 144 divide by 6. Yeah, it is divisible by 6. So they all are divisible by 6. X square plus 2x and 144 divided by 6 gives me 24. Now this is a simple quadratic equation. And if you have simple quadratic equation x square plus 2x minus 24 is equal to 0 over product is negative 24x square and sum is 2x. We think about two numbers so that we can get product which is 24, negative 24. And if we add and subtract, it must be 2. Which two numbers? 6 multiplied by 4, 24, and 6 minus 4, 2. But 2 must be positive, okay? So take 6 positive, like x squared plus 6x minus 4x minus 24. So once we take x common, so x plus 6, and here we have minus 4 common, x plus 6 equals 0. So x plus 6 and x minus 4 equals 0. It means we are getting the points x negative 6 and x is equal to 4. So these are the solutions we are getting. And in the start, we suppose that if x, the first is x, so which let's suppose we choose the these are the lengths, so choose the positive value. X is 4, then x plus 2 is what? That is 4 plus 2, which gives me 6. So 4 and 6, these are the lengths of a smaller cube as well as the bigger cube. I hope so you get it.